The use of heading and properly styled lists help the user digest information on a page more effectively. In this example, the text is running all together and it's hard to tell what is most important on this page or how you would delineate one section from another. Also, this creator, in organizing content here, they have used asterisks and dashes to try to make that information break up, and that is also a no-no. So if you see anything like that, you want to delete it so that you can stylize your list. In Google Docs, for both headings and lists, you're going to access this ribbon up at the top. For headings, you can click anywhere on the word or phrase that you want to apply the heading to. It defaults to normal text. From the drop-down menu, you're going to pick the proper heading. In this case, I'm choosing a heading number 1. This is the title of my document, and notice that I had an option to apply it as a title. We're going to do that in the accessibility check. The heading 1 is acting as my title, and there's only going to be one heading 1 in this document. This is a subheading, so again I'm clicking anywhere in that phrase and choosing heading number 2. Now sometimes when you apply the headings after you've already typed text, you'll get some extra spacing in there. You want to make sure you delete any extra spacing. For bulleted lists, you can type out your information and then highlight everything and choose either a bulleted list, and there are several different types, or a numbered list if the information needs to be displayed in a particular order. Another option is to apply the bullet and then start typing. In Microsoft Word, you access headings and lists on the Home tab. Headings are under Style. Again, click anywhere in the word or phrase and apply the proper heading. If you get extra spacing, you'll want to delete that. Under the paragraph section, you have bulleted and numbered lists. And again, you can highlight and apply, or click the numbered or bulleted list and start typing. In LibGuides, the name of your guide is always going to act as the heading number 1, and then the name of your box is going to act as a heading number 2. In this example, this is a text box. To add headings and lists to a text box, you will edit. Again, you can click anywhere on the word or phrase that you want to add the heading to. In LibGuides, headings are under this second box. It defaults to normal text, or you can choose heading. And this starts at heading number 3. And I will apply heading number 4. Bulleted and numbered lists are similar to other interfaces where you can highlight and apply, or click it from the beginning and start typing. In Canvas, the title of your page or quiz or discussion, whatever it is that you're creating, this is always going to default to heading number 1. When you want to apply additional headings, you'll click again on the word or phrase. In the text box editor, under Paragraph, you will choose the proper heading. In Canvas, both bulleted and numbered lists are under the same menu. It defaults to a bulleted list, but you can choose the drop-down to select the style or select a numbered list. Notice that in this case, I had pasted information in here, so it applied the bullet to the first line. To apply subsequent bullets, I can click outside of that second entry and hit enter, and the third entry and hit enter. Alternatively, I could have backspaced to the one above it and hit enter, and it will apply the bullets properly. You can highlight and format, or start your bulleted list and then start typing.